Hi everyone, welcome back to Classic and Clear. Today's short tutorial I will teach you how to use the sum function in Excel to add numbers quickly and easily. So first example, I'm going to add 10, 20, 30 and quickly show. I will update in keyboard equals sum and shift bracket open bracket. After, drag the cell from B4 to B7 and enter. And we will get the 60 as answer. This is the first example. Second example, we can use equal sum and shift open bracket, and we will click one cell D5 and comma and D6 cell and comma and D7 and update comma and close the bracket and enter. So we can get like this as second example the totals. So guys, third example we can do like this. We will update equal and we will select one cell and we will update shift plus and again second cell shift plus and third cell shift. So after that we can enter. So 60 is the third example, total will come. So let's have look for the fourth example, and in this fourth example what I want to teach you is in the shortcut method in the keyboard. So when it is a on-screen keyboard as a normal keyboard, just quickly we'll do in H8 cell we will keep the cursor and we'll select the H8 cell, and what we'll do, we will click alt and equal, so in the range, and we can enter, so we will get the shortcut as well. So fourth examples also we have updated with this on-screen keyboard. And example 5, we can use this formula whatever it is in the bar. So in this case what we need to do, we will select this cell J8 cell and we will click this one. If you click this one and we will enter, so we will get the answer, it will sum automatically. So guys, today we have learned how to sum in 5 example. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to Classic and Clear for Excel formulas. We will see in next videos. Thank you very much.